Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to another Binance account. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, sign into your Binance account. And then over here on their homepage, what you're going to do is you're going to hover over the payment section over here and then click on Binance Pay. After that, we will be redirected to this page over here. In this section, this is where you will be able to send payments or send crypto to another person by simply clicking on send over here. You could also receive crypto by clicking on the receive button over here. In this section, you could also send multiple, live on crypto, become a merchant, use the crypto box, and spend turn over here. You will be able to see your recent transactions also in this section and your pay daily limits in this section on the right side. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching.